Did you know there's a bird dubbed the most dangerous bird in the world? The cassowary lives in the forests of Papua and Australia. It can grow up to 2 meters tall and weigh over 60 kilos. Although it looks similar to an ostrich, the cassowary is far more dangerous. It has long, knife-like claws on its feet. A single kick can injure or even kill. Not only that, the cassowary can run up to 50 kilometers per hour and jump as high as 1.5 meters. So it's impossible to escape if attacked. On its head is a hard protrusion called a casque, which functions like a natural helmet to penetrate forest undergrowth. So, although it looks cool and exotic, the cassowary is a bird you should only admire from afar.